Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar is growing as a key manufacturing hub in India. It has a strong base of automobile industries and supporting industry and making it an important center for production. The district is known for making two-wheelers, three-wheelers and precision parts. Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar playing a vital role in growth of manufacturing industry. Machine Maker has organized a premier event, Manufacturing Maestro, on 22nd March at Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. This event is a recognition to the manufacturing leaders, their innovation, to highlight their impact on operational efficiency and the healthier environment in manufacturing segment. This event will be an opportunity to explore manufacturing trends and foster collaboration to future manufacturing industry.